Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. I am Oli and welcome back again with Dalitex. Today we give this one video with English language because I have some friend and buyer who talk the English. That's the request my good friend. That's why we take this video. Okay. Today I take this video our NG Fashion which factory made the all denim item and denim and especially women item. Denim pant, men's denim, ladies denim, boys denim, baby denims, all types of denims. Now we also made these joggers, men joggers, boys joggers, baby joggers, all types of joggers. Look at that. Today I'm take this video with my boss room. I mean our managing director. So everybody asks me, my two friends already asked, what about your boss? So now is a camera move my boss. Boss say hello.
Hello everybody. Welcome and thanks.
Yeah. And he is our boss. He is our boss and he is a very nice person. And Alhamdulillah, his name is Nozrul. So our garment's name is Nozrul Fashion. I mean NG Fashion. NG Fashion means Nozrul Fashion.
Yes.
Nozrul Fashion. So he is already brand. Look at that. He is basically brand. He is the #1 brand because he 10 years experience with the tanning center in this area. Our beside two tanning center already 10 years established and running, and after that he has started these garments. So he is very energetic and very technical person, and he is the #1 honest man at the moment of the world. I think I did not find this honest man like this person. So everybody pray for him. May Allah help him and establish his business or everything. I am just doing the business with him as a marketing director, nothing else. Okay, so boss, let's go outside. So come with me. Today boss also come with me. This is our conference room. Bye. Look at that. Let them. This is our conference room. Look at that. This is our conference room. The people is coming in conference room, also our inspection. Come outside. Boss Ashan. This is our toilet for guests. Okay, come outside. That site is at the moment noisy because all is working at the moment. Look at that. This is our production site. Bye-bye. Our all machine is new, 100% new machine and auto machine. Look at that, 100% auto machine. All of machine is auto and 100% new machine. So our 100% machine is new and auto. Come upside. This is our aquarium. Come. Okay, look at that. This is our stock. Yeah. Denim pen stock side. And come. This is our finishing sector. We made this product also local buyer in Bangladesh, local buyer. We also made the export pen. Look at that. Now we made this one for Philippine buyer. For Philippine buyer. This is our boiler. So everybody, if you really interested about the garments, who is the interest about the manufacturing, please contact with us. We always ready for you. We always making 100% export quality. So is my request, the man who interest about the garments from Bangladesh, please contact with us. We commitment, we always work with you demand, I mean buyer demand. Thank you very much. Goodbye.